How to change a file name on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so what you have to do is simple. Just go to Dropbox. As you can see, this is the home page. Now choose the file that you want to change the name of. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Now click on those three dots right here, and now as you can see, all what you have to do is scroll down like this until you find this rename option. Click on rename. Now you can change the name easily like this. Let's take for example test. Click rename, and as you can see, okay, I'm gonna name it for example Jacob. Now this is the name of my file. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.